This river has a name?
Grassman River.
They call it the Grassman River.
The Grassman River.
Grassman, not grass.
Grassman.
Grassman. You know why it got that name?
No.
No. Well, maybe according to the district, because this district is Grassman.
Oh.
So that's why they call it-
Yes.
that's why they call it Grassman River.
Grassman River.
It goes straight right to the Black River.
Oh, okay.
Yes, right through.
So how far this river extends to?
It's right to the Black River.
Oh, all the way up to the Black
All the
River.
way, yeah. It goes through Slide.
Yes, I know it's like.
Yes, the right to, right at the bridge at Black River. And the left hand side. Right into the sea.
Yes.
Wata gandong. Wata gandong.
They come from up there, the blue hole, like up in a place called Peru.
Oh,
Yes, they come from out of the blue hole, the spring. You understand?
yes.
Yes.
Peru. I haven't heard about Peru before.
I think is
Me got a community there before, Chad?
You got Peru Cave.
Oh, I went to the cave.
Yes.